sister too. No, he likes it.
Here's Ben with his first tummy time. Look at those feet moving. Ben, we're so proud of you. In the jungle. And
look at you. He's pushing up.
pushing up
You're doing push-ups. You're so strong.
at 9 days.
Okay, we're gonna do sit-ups after the push-ups. Okay, Ben. Stomach crunches. 10 reps. No weights.
Woo! Look at those feet.
Wow. Yeah, that's been great.
Woo! Dum, dum, dum.
Hi Ben, do you know Frere Jacques? Do you speak French and English?